Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is time to talk IPSY for the month of May. We're going to jump into my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, do a full review, unboxing, and demo of everything inside, and figure out if this subscription box is worth the price tag. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of May, stay tuned. All right, I am pulling up the IPSY app just so I can have all of the product info in front of me. The theme this month is IPSY Wild Beauty. This month, delight in all the things that make you feel alive, a fresh mani, botanical skincare, going barefoot in the grass, let your imagination run wild. And I am going to pull up each of the individual items as we try them out. I do actually think the bag is really cute, although it did announce recently that they will be discontinuing the bags and going into like recyclable packaging, which I have so many of these laying around. So I'm not mad at that, but I also think these are really cute. All right, the first three products I will not be using on camera, but I have used them before. So you're still gonna get a full review, just not a demo on them. First is from the brand INH Beauty. This is the Super Shine Serum, retailing for $22. This is a smoothing, flyaway, and softening your strands. It has never been easier thanks to the Super Shine Serum. Lightweight formula of combo of sunflower seed, avocado, and passion fruit seed oils. This will give your hair a brilliant shine without making it greasy or limp. Apply 2 to 3 pumps on dry hair or style as usual, vegan and cruelty-free. Now, I did a full review on this in the past, and I actually really like this serum. I agree with all of the claims that it makes. I don't use an oil in my hair too often, but when I do, this is still the one that I end up grabbing towards. Next, a product that I don't love. This is from Rodial. They are the Soft Focus Dew Drops, or Glow Drops, sorry. Retailing for $60. This squalane, glycerin, and antioxidant serum will moisturize, soften, and protect your skin for a healthy glow. Gently pat 2 drops into clean, dry skin before or after moisturizing. Shake well before use. Again, it retails for $60. I didn't love this. Like, there wasn't anything wrong with it, but I didn't feel like it did enough. I want my skincare to like do all that and then some, and for this one, I was just a little underwhelmed. It's not a bad product, it's just not one that I'm gonna open and use. I have so many other serums that I love, and that just isn't gonna make the cut, especially when I compare it to other serums that do the same thing. I'm still really liking the Skin Ink from this month's BoxyCharm, so I'm gonna use that and my Caudalie serum and my Olga Lorenzen lactic acid serum and pass on this one. And from the brand Saturday Skin, this is the Pretty Pop Prebiotic Power Whipped Cream, retailing for $57. This velvety smooth moisturizer not only feels dreamy on the skin, it delivers results that are bright, dewy, and glowy AF. It's all thanks to niacinamide, okra, and white lupin, which are all going to help to hydrate the skin, smooth the look of fine lines, and help the skin look soft, supple, and bouncy. Tap into the skin in an outward circular motion. I liked this moisturizer, and it's something that I would use again. But again, I have so many moisturizers open that, once you open this, 12 months until it expires, and I don't want to be wasteful. So I will put this in a rotation once I finish whatever I have open, but I will be trying this one again because I did like it. Next up, the first product we're going to try on camera. This is from the brand Formula Z, and this is the Transforming Beauty Cheek Palette. Retailing for $32, this is a cheek palette. Compete with 4 stunning cheek colors, including 2 highlighters and 2 vibrant blushes. This palette is perfect addition to your makeup bag this month. So I'm gonna grab a nice fluffy blush brush and a nice highlighter brush, and we're gonna try both of these out. I'm going to start with the blush. I'm going to use Class Act right here, which is a matte blush. I'm just going to pat that into the cheeks, and then soft circular motions. Now there's definitely some pigment in there, but I will say I'm not getting a ton of pigment. It might just be that that color's a little too light. So I'm going to layer Extra Fierce, the darker shade, right on top. I'm definitely seeing it more now that I added the darker color, and I think it's a really pretty tone. And I'm going in with a very light hand. So if you're deeper than I am, you can always just add more than I'm using, and that'll help to build up the intensity. And I'm going to mix the same 2 colors on the other side, just so everything matches. And on a highlight brush, I'm going to jump into Mega Yacht, the champagne color on the top. And I am going to blend that over the highest point of the cheeks and under the brow. Definitely a really nice glow. And as always, I like to take my blush brush and just blend a little bit of blush over the highlighter so that you don't get a stripe on your cheek. And doing the same thing on the other side. And like I do with every powder blush, I'm going to grab my sponge and just press that into the skin, which is just going to help everything look a little less powdery and a little more natural. I actually think that turned out really nice. It is soft, it is subtle, but it's definitely there. And I think it's going to be one of those things where if you layer the colors, you'll end up getting a ton of different versatile shades. So definitely a win for me. And the last product is one that I have not tried and have no desire to. This is the Lovecraft Beauty Eyeshadow Primer, retailing for $18. The lightweight primer grips whatever shadow you layer on top for long-lasting, crease-free wear. It'll even help to amplify pigments in your shadows for max color payoff. Now, this is just one of those product types that I'm just not a big fan of, so rather than open it, hate it, and then never use it again, or, like happens with the other ones, open it, maybe like it, and still never use it again because I like the same eyeshadow primer every day, I'm going to be passing on that one. Now, when I look at the products in front of me, I definitely say that for the Glam Bag Plus, which is the $25 a month subscription, definitely think you get your money's worth out of it. It is a fantastic value. Really like the way the cheek palette turned out. I am obviously a big fan of the hair serum and excited to try this again because I haven't used the Saturday Skin in a long time. Obviously, 2 of the 5 products I did not like at all, but that's why I like subscription boxes, because it's a chance to try things that I either wouldn't necessarily try on my own or things that, maybe I just wouldn't notice. So definitely a win for me this month and definitely better than both of my Boxy charms. So as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.